All right, I'm starting up my Mod Watt again. I started it once, but I didn't record anything. So this time, starting with step one, I have the container and got some soil from the backyard from the garden. So I threw in on step one the little bit, 1 centimeter worth, I guess. There's some measurements on the side of the cup, so I just put it up to the first one. And then you have your wire, so I guess the green one is going to slide into this anode, and then I'm going to put some more dirt in and then slide the cathode on top, and the orange wire will go inside the cathode, and then that will start capturing the electrons, and then I can start using my phone to measure exactly how much power is being generated by the small germs in here. So we're going to start with germ power, clean energy from mud. Right there you can see I added a little bit of water. And then we have the orange cathode going into the thick pad, and then the green wire going into the thinner anode pad, cathode pad, anode pad, I guess. And then I'm gonna put it in here and fill it up. All right, and now we wait. Eventually, this will start storing. This will start storing some energy, and then I guess it's pre-programmed to start flashing, and something about the rate of the flashing would normally determine, like, well, I guess it's just to tell you that there's actual power. Then this thing will actually run as a clock or a thermostat, or a thermometer. I said thermostat, thermometer. And so anyway, then I can start scanning this with my phone. It'll actually tell me how much power it is generating. So there it is, all wet, and with the cathodes and stuff in there to do what they're supposed to do. So we'll see what kind of power we get, yo. Now I'm gonna get rid of this old soil.